Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get started using Qwen AI. Qwen AI is a free open source platform that I highly recommend, and it has a lot of features that it compete with other big players in the AI tools space. So to get started, let's go to their website. Simply open your browser and type in qwen.ai. And then here on their homepage, you can either use Qwen Studio, which is their browser version, or you can download the desktop application. So I've gone ahead and clicked on download and set up the desktop application. Once you're logged in, you should be prompted with this screen, and here you can start a new chat. You can also create new projects as well as change some settings. So for example, let's say generate me an image of a cat. I'm going to press enter to send the prompt, and Qwen should be able to properly respond. There's our image of a cat. One nice thing is that there are no watermarks, as you can see. It's a perfectly clean image, which I'm a big fan of. So that's how you can get started using Qwen AI, as well as where to download it from. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.